Welcome to the learning graveyard. What's cooking wording ain't so hard. In every dark corner there won't be a quarter, but you'll find a friend named Jack-O-Learn. Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so feared. Explore horror themes with Jack-O-Learn, and all your fears will overturn. So come on, little witches and monsters.
Hello, little witches and monsters. I am Jack-O-Learn.
I am Myst, the mad scientist.
In today's episode, Myst, the mad scientist, is going to show us a magical trick powered by science.
Yep, that's right. National Geographic Mega Science Series for our experiments.
Science magic kit? Cool.
Yep, and today's lesson is... Sink a ketchup diver. To view our what to get list, check the description below. Adult supervision required. Ta-da!
Cool. But what's the science behind the experiment?
Whoa! Wow! Wasn't that incredible? Yeah! The science behind the experiment. The condiment packet floats because there is a small amount of air sealed inside. When you push on the sides of the bottle, the only thing that can contract is the air. The volume of the air decreases, but the amount of mass is the same. So the density of the packet has increased. If you apply enough pressure, the packet's density will be greater than the density of the water, so it will sink. Releasing the pressure lets the air expand once more, lessening the packet's density so it can rise. Huh?
Wow, that was exciting.
Sure was. I hope you enjoyed the episode. We will see you again soon.
Have a haunted day.
Bye.
Bye.
Jack-O-Learn, oh so weird. Halloween is not so fear. Explore horror themes.
Oh, and you can follow my YouTube channel too. Link is in the description below.